It's your boy CeeLo, back again with another video from Smoking Metal Car Fun. She definitely coming together. But just giving her a quick walk around. So it's sunny, so y'all kind of sort of get a good look of her. And of course, y'all see, we down here at the shop. With them dual tips. Yeah, watch that sun, get that good glare. Let's see. That's my baby. But I know this is my baby, but guess what? I have something to show you guys. It is getting ready to go down here. So y'all gotta excuse me with the music, a little copyright, but we gonna probably end up muting that. But I just want to show y'all. There we go. Can y'all see it? Let's clear it up. Clear up. Boom. Yes, you see it, right? Let's see if any of you guys in the comment can guess what year this is. I'm gonna go ahead and wait. I'm gonna walk around it real quick for y'all so y'all can see. But y'all tell me what year do y'all think this is? And it's being totally restored. We're gonna watch the process of it being restored because I think it's gonna be crazy. Now, this is something I think the elephant should go in. But, of course, it's not gonna be the elephant. We already know what's going on. And it's already tubbed, just so y'all know as well. Any people that can't see or don't know anything about cars, let's see. You see that? It's already cut to be all the way around. Cut to be tubbed. So, yeah, man, body clean. It used to be an automatic, but now it's getting ready to be transferred into a stick shift, which is pretty cool. So yeah, y'all tell me what year y'all think this is. I know the year, but yeah, just wait, man. Oh, let me show y'all a little bit under here. See? Ooh. Engine bay. Got something nice coming. Wait for it. Hood heavy, but it closes smooth. You guys let me know what y'all think about that, because I think it's gonna be off the hook. Y'all gotta excuse me, bro, I gotta put a seatbelt on. But yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty nice when they done with it. And just to give you guys heads up, it is a 1971 Cuda. Y'all hear when she start up? Oh. 1971 Cuda. Hella smoke. Did I leave all that smoke? So we're gonna go ahead and take that. Sport mode. Truck gonna run me down. See nothing coming? So I'm back, and I'm gonna go check on my mom and see if she's okay. But I just wanted to do a quick video, show y'all the old school that's being restored. I will have more videos about that as they, build it. So y'all will see more upcoming videos on Barracuda being built. Just so y'all know. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so y'all can get all the upcoming content that I do put out, because we're trying to make it definitely entertaining for everybody, all ages, young people, old people, just trying to make it entertaining, man. So hopefully y'all liked it. If y'all did, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I would greatly appreciate it. So let's all keep going up from here in 2021. A new year for everybody. New fresh year for everybody, being as though we're dealing with this guy, COVID and stuff. So stay tuned. Peace. Smoking Metal Power. Like, comment, subscribe.